the station. So we just arrived. Oh my gosh. So we will now be getting Chinese. So we will be now heading home, but first we're gonna go in the train. Hey guys! Okay, so it is now currently almost 6 p.m. and to be honest, I didn't really do anything, to be honest. But tomorrow I have school again. But anyways, I want to give this little review of my Japanese school bag, because to be honest, I need to study, but I really do not want to study. So yeah, but I think I've had this bag for now, I think 1 month almost. And guys, it is so like sometimes you have to bring so much, you just literally look like you're going on a 1-week school trip or something. I'm not even kidding. Sometimes I look like I've brought all my books with me, I'm not even kidding. But with my bag, I don't really look like that, you know, so I'm very happy with that. And I don't even know why I am yapping so much, because I need to study, but I really do not want to study. Oh my god. The state of my room is actually so concerning. I'm not even joking. So I think it is time to clean my room a bit, because yeah, I don't even have to explain. Let's go. So here I was walking in the nature, and to be honest, it was so pretty. So if you haven't been outside, please go do it.
TJ mix, however you call it.